What if I told you there's a car that can outrun hypercars, carry luxury like a 5-star hotel, and still look timeless on the road? Well, what just hit the automotive world might be the most shocking release of the decade. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your home for real car insights, deep dive reviews, and everything that fuels automotive passion. Today, we're zooming in on a machine that bends physics and turns heads effortlessly, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S. This isn't just a refresh. It's a statement. So buckle up, because what this car brings to the table may completely change how we think about performance and luxury. Stick around till the end, trust me, it only gets better. The 911 silhouette is legendary, and in this new version, that legacy continues, but with sharper, more purposeful details. The front fascia now looks bolder, with reworked matrix LED headlights and a redesigned bumper built for better airflow. Active aerodynamic components are now more integrated, including a wider front spoiler and an intelligent rear wing that automatically adjusts based on driving conditions. The wider stance, especially at the rear, gives the Turbo S a more aggressive posture, as if it's ready to launch at any moment. You now get 20-inch wheels up front and 21-inch wheels at the back, with optional forged lightweight sets. And Porsche introduced two stunning colors this year: Arctic Sapphire, a deep metallic blue, and Aero Jade, a subtle matte green that looks like it came from a concept car. The rear, refined but fierce, slim 3D tail lights, quad exhausts finished in dark chrome, and an updated diffuser built to optimize underbody airflow. Every curve has purpose and attitude. Once you're inside, it's clear, this car isn't just built for speed, it's crafted for an experience. A 12.6-inch curved digital instrument cluster takes center stage. Next to it sits an 11.9-inch infotainment system running the latest software, now faster and smarter than ever. Materials include premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber, with flawless stitching and top-tier craftsmanship. There's even an optional heritage interior package featuring classic seat inserts and a retro-inspired steering wheel, mixing nostalgia with innovation. The 18-way adjustable sport seats come with heating and ventilation, making it surprisingly comfortable, even for daily commuting. Add the 3D surround sound system, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and the cabin quickly feels like a luxury lounge on wheels. Rear seating remains small, but that's expected. This isn't built for passengers. This is built for drivers. Now let's talk about what really matters. In the rear sits a fine-tuned 3.8L twin-turbo flat-six engine, now pushing 660 horsepower and 590 pounds-ft of torque to 30 more horsepower than the previous version. 0 to 60, 2.4 seconds. That's not fast, that's unreal. That competes with hypercars and wins. Top speed, 211 miles per hour. This is a street-legal rocket ship. Thanks to the all-wheel drive system and 8-speed dual-clutch PDK transmission, the power delivery is laser-precise. And with rear wheel steering plus the latest active suspension, you can stiffen it for the track or soften it for city driving instantly. The ceramic composite brakes give you massive stopping power, consistent and fade-free. This isn't just fast, it's confidence on four wheels. Starting at around $235,000, it's not cheap. And with add-ons like carbon ceramic brakes, premium sound system, custom paint, performance upgrades, you could climb beyond $275,000 easily. But here's the question. You're getting a car that drives like a supercar, cruises like a luxury GT, and carries one of the richest automotive legacies in history. So is it worth it? If you want a daily drivable supercar, the answer is a bold yes. It's not just speed, it's emotion, heritage, and engineering working in perfect harmony. So what do you think? Is the 2026 Turbo S the ultimate performance car for its price? Or would you rather go for something like the McLaren Artura? Or maybe an R8 GT? Let me know in the comments, I'm curious to hear your pick. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more exciting reviews coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, drive safe, chase the thrill, and I'll see you in the next one.